7 minutes and 19 seconds dito sa third quarter. Ang lamang ng San Miguel ay 40-43. Hawkins, tumobol team si Rosella. Pumake minsan siya. Tapos yung tira ni Hawkins, pero nakuha mo rin ng Alaska. At tignan natin, foul ang nakita ng ating referee. Just a sideline inbound for Alaska. 44-43. San Miguel Beer lamang ng 1 point. 7 minutes and 3 seconds dito sa third. Baseline move lost para sa Alaska Milk. Castillo going to Mustre. Wino fighting for against Asaitono. Samantala Castillo, he can read the shot.
Well, medyo sumag doon si Jojo Lastimosa, and Castillo also given the green light to shoot it as long as you're free. No? You've got to challenge those defensive players, and I think we have a timeout called by Alaska.
San Miguel, 6 na minuto at kalahati dito sa third quarter. Hawkins, now double team na. Oh, good pass to Lago. He has to convert. Pasok ang tira ni Lago. It's a 1 point lead now para sa San Miguel, 46-45.
We got something positive out of that timeout, leaving them with only 2 for the game and a 20 there in the fourth quarter. No?
Asaitono.
Good luck.
Papansin yung Vino. Ito si Lago. Kailangan kukuha ko sila mag-bilis. And Abuda. Kaya paborito ito ni Coach Ron Jacobs. Masipag si Abuda.
The role type of player. Pero yung decision making ni Lago, nandun na yung bola, wala na nangyari. But hindi mo hawakan, antayin mo yung point. That's gonna be an offensive foul on Castillo.
Oo. Pangatlo winning drives promo, Andy. Big cash prizes 1-1 plus isang Hyundai Elantra sedan ang ipamimigay sa Grand Tour. Ispatan lamang kung anong kotse ang nakita nyo sa screen sa bawat PBA game, ilagay sa entry form at ihulog sa mga idle car dealer. For more details, basahin ang posters at print ads.
A lot of rebounds also for Nelson in this ball game, almost nearing his average of about 10 a ball game.
Si The Bull,
Lakas.
masyado malakas. At wala, babalik sa Alaska Milk. Sa background, papasok po kasi mamaya si Alan Kaidik para sa San Miguel Beer. Samantala, Wino, tinamahan pa bahagya sa mukha, baliwala. Isa pa para sa kanya, offensive board na lamang para sa Alaska. At ito si Lago, pasa sa loob kay Wino, pumihita naman sa kabila, short stab, umpog yung tira ni Wino. 46 San Miguel, 45 ang Alaska. Slowing things down para sa San Miguel. Ito pong si Olsen Rosella. Going to Mustre. Baseline ni Mustre. Kuminto. Bigay kay Asaitono. Asaitono. Over Wino. Wino na po ato. Kanina niya pa hinahanap yung tira niyang yun eh.
Alam niya, basta't makakuha siya ng elevation niya, plus of course the follow through on his shot, he's gonna make that shot most of the time. Back to a 3-point lead here for San Miguel, who has managed to keep Alaska at bay, no, despite the run by Alaska in this quarter.
Ito si Wino, si Asaitono nakagwardya sa kanya. Bumangga at offensive foul si Coach Wino.
A little sign of impatience there on the part of Wino using that shoulder. Good call by the referee.
Tingnan nyo naman itong dalawang mama to. Naka-retro outfit pa, Andy, itong si Paul Alvarez at of course si Samboy Lim. Fashion statement kung ganun palang polo. Pwede na natin suot kaya Andy mga ganun polo.
Kala ko nga pupunta ng party si hindi manonood ng game. Kaya loko nga si Willie. Pupunta bang party? Saan pupunta? Anyway, meantime, the 3 lead in this ball game has a 5-point lead right now. Alaska has really thrown almost everything in this quarter, no? Pero mga turnovers ang nakakasakit sa kanila.
Oh, at this time, sa Barrientos, kahit na mababa ng konti yung talo niya, nandun pa rin yung tira.
Nakakagalaw naman siya. Medyo alalay lang kanyang lateral movement. Yun lang ang problema niya.
Mantala kay Dick. Markado na siya rito sa laro. Dignadice against Lastimosa. Yung tira niya. Oh, he's in the groove.
See, earlier we talked about this, but they are not the 6'8", 6'9", an Aquino, a Balingit. Those guys give San Miguel a lot of big men, a lot of problems.
Lastimosa missing and Wino does not have enough space para ma-recover ang bola sa may baseline. Lamang ng 5 San Miguel.
Increase on that 5-point lead with 2 minutes left dito sa ating third quarter.
Kailik. Tahimik pa dito sa third quarter. Bigay kay Asaitono. Against Hawkins. Asaitono. Wala doon. And Dignadice. Reverse. Hindi pumasok this time. A lot of excitement ang ginagawa ng Dignadice para sa kanyang kapo ng San Miguel Beer. Samantala, Abarientos going to Wino. They're down by 5 points.
Santos, by the way, has come into Trace Lastimosa, no?
And Abarientos slowly going into shape dito sa larong to. At may ilang punos na ba si John dito sa third quarter? 6 na punos na pala, Andy.
Well, he's a very important player, you know. Once he gets going, he can really guide this team properly. Kaidik, free!
Foul by Dwight Lago. Sumabit. Nagtatugin 3 free throws para kay Alan Kaidik. I guess 3 free throws.
You'd rather hit him shooting the 3-point shot than going to the free throw line for 3 shots, no?
Kung si Alan Kaidik, he still holds the record for consecutive number of converted free throws dito sa PBA. Pangalawa para kay Alan Kaidik. 15.
15 na siya. Going, missing this one. Has one more. That's the advantage of a shooter. Especially a good shooter like him. Anyway, it's still a 5-point lead for the Beermen, and you have the time on your screens right now. That's the third quarter time left.
San Miguel holding Alaska 54-49. Hawkins.
Pilit.
Pilit tira ni Bong. At tingnan natin ang senyas ng ating referee. Bola ng Alaska Milk. Quarter. Baseline inbound. Abarientos. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Si Dwight Lago yan. Open for the shot.
Yes. Meanwhile, Ramos coming back into the ball game, replacing Wino, giving.
Ito si Alan Kaidik. Talagang susunod siya ni Dwight Lago. Kung siya magpupunta, basta nasa court si Alan Kaidik. 10 seconds para po tumiran San Miguel. Rosella, malayo pa rin siya ng konti sa goal. Ito, lumapit na sa may baseline laban kay Abarientos. 3 seconds, Alan Kaidik. May tanga ng bola. Tumira si Alan. Hindi pumasok. At agawan sa bola. Teka, meron foul na nakiyat mukhang si Ives Dignadice yan.
Has a couple of fouls to give before they get into the penalty. 2 actually.
Boy Fernandez. Dwight Lago, lamang po ng 3 puntos sa San Miguel. Bakit tira kagad?
Mali. Binigay na, alam mo, as a guard, you never give the ball to a forward because pag binigay mo ng bola sa post area, pa-atake yun eh. Mali yun eh.
Nangyari po.
Like the one you did not use in the second quarter.
Ito naman si Alan Kaidik. Kaya yan, kumawala kagad si Dwight Lago.
Clear that it's going to be a side court throw-in.
At may number 2 on Dwight Lago. Only the second baseline move. Pasa kay Ramos. Kailangan tira na ni Kevin. Lampas. Hawkins! Yes!
A big break there for Alaska dahil yung shot clock continued to run. He picked it up with 2 seconds and put it back off the glass. No? Good positioning for the offensive rebound.
Just a 1-point ball game now in favor of San Miguel Beer. 54-53. Dignadice shining para sa Beermen. Ikot ang bola. Kaidik na naman sa kanyang leather against Dwight Lago. Jumole siya ng mataas at wala. At well, babalik ang bola ni San Miguel. Samantala, tingnan natin ang opensa ng Alaska. Lago. Bigay kay Rodney Santos. Ngayon kay Hawkins. Dumabuti na si Alan. 7 seconds to shoot. Lago sa baseline. Pinasa pa kay Rodney. Ang tira ni Santos. Pasok!
Except for the second quarter, every quarter is...
Ang lamang na ngayon po ay Alaska 55-54. Alan Kaidik going to Art de la Cruz.
That's an advantage for Art. We've got to push him in.
Dignadice, Abuda kay Art de la Cruz. Sa tanang hawi pa si Art de la Cruz doon.
Nasaktan pa yata si Ives as he came down on the foot of Art de la Cruz.
First row na nonood ditong laro ng Alaska at San Miguel. Teka, foul si Kevin Ramos. Taas kagad yung kamay niya. Alam niya yung foul sa kanya. Sa Itono, eto na ang trabaho. Pinasa niya sa labas kay Musre. From 3-point country. Wala.
Paano ganun? Guy could have picked it up. It was in slow motion.
Tala Hawkins. Footworks para kay Bob Hawkins. Lamang ng Alaska ng 3 puntos, 57-54. Rosella going to Mustre. They're down by 3 points. Asaitono against Ramos. Yes! The escape act of the ball.
has a 3-point play coming up. Nelson.
Ito ni Kevin Ramos at pinagpunan natin.
There you can see Ramos got hit in the face there. No call. When he makes this spin, Ramos is gonna push him. And that's where he's gonna get called for the foul.
Dito si Asaytono kung trabaho. Unang field goal lamang yan ng San Miguel sa fourth quarter. And Asaytono approaching his scoring average. Ngayon, 25 lang na itatala ni Nelson.
Nagkaroon naman siya ng tulog today. Alan is already double figures.
Pala 4 seconds. Boyet Fernandez. Yes! Yan, si Boyet Fernandez. Olsen going to R. De La Cruz. Asaytono. Isang fake lapper. Kumalabaw. Hindi pumasok ang tira. Tapikan. And Abuda has kept the ball alive. Nakuha pa nilang muli. At ito sa loob kay Asaytono. Pumake minsan. Fade away. Kapos. At teka, may loose ball foul na nakita sa referee Chua. It's on Rodney Santos.
Loose ball foul on Rodney Santos.
Some player like Abuda, Asaytono, Art de la Cruz, si Abuda, yan pa kaya mostly, mahilig tumatalong talaga sa loob yan.
Asaytono. Hindi pumasok. Kanila na naman.
Mostly.
Oo. Hindi mo talaga na-box out ang San Miguel. Ano? Kukuha na ka ng bola.
Puro mga
Ramos. Ikot ang bola para sa Alaska. Rodney Santos. Tingnan natin ang Silvato. Illegal D laban sa San Miguel.
Transferring from Pure Foods, rookie last year. Missed that first free throw.
Para palitan si De La Cruz. Pinunta nito si Ives Tignadice. Looking at White Lago of Alaska. 7 minutes and 13 seconds po dito sa fourth quarter. Ang lamang ng Alaska ay 1 point at si Rodney Santos nagawa niyang tatlo ngayon.
The superstar.
Sa Grand Slam yung si Rodney.
But he's got to show a little bit more to stay in the PBA or make a bigger name for himself. He can stay, but he will never be a star unless he really improves a lot of his moves.
Tulad ng gagawin ni Asaytono. Hindi pumasok ang tira niya. And again, San Miguel. Isa na naman.
Hindi umaayaw sa boards ang San Miguel in fighting for the rebounds or the loose balls.
At talaga namang higpitan ng hilahan ni Ramos at ni Asaytono. Kaya ako tayo nagkakamali. Happy birthday sa iyo, Fidel. Second time out called by San Miguel. Nakikita natin nasa score stable na si Amarientos at William. Samantala, sige, agaw kayo sa bola. Scrappy play para kay Musred. De La Cruz, wala. At Hawkins, nawala yung bola pero napunta kay Jojo Lastimosa. Eto, Ramos sa may gitna ngayon. Tutuloy-tuloy niya yan. O, hindi pa rin. Rodney Santos, wala pa rin.
Very easy layup. Ramos scored it. Rodney Santos couldn't put it back in.
Wala natiling 2 puntos ang lamang ng
Si Art de la Cruz, nadulas ng mag-isa.
at may slick spot dun sa bahaging yun. Ito si Racela. Naipit dun sa pwesuhan nila niya sa ito na tumira sa 3 leisurely. Hindi pumasok. There's Art de la Cruz. And
Mismatches there for San Miguel.
Amarientos covering Mike Mustre.
Pero hindi sila umaatake with Mike Mustre.
Ito si Racela tumira pa ng perimeter shot. Yun ang nahulog.
Good bounce.
Yes.
61 all. 5.5 minutes.
Dito sa All Filipino.
Yep.
At ito, Hawkins.
Naka-double team na yung San Miguel but they still allowed Hawkins to use the power to get up and make the shot off the glass. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Anybody's ball game. Well-fought match. Very scientific.
Inaasahan naman natin yan dito kay Coach Tim Ton at saka kay Coach Ron Jacob. Samantala, Asaytono. Napaganda pa ata. Bitaw niya ng bola. Pumasok na.
3-point play coming up for Art de la Cruz.
Natin yan Andy dito sa slow-mo.
Actually, parang hindi pala pinasa. Natapik. Napunta sa kamay ni Art de la Cruz. So, blessing in disguise. But you can consider that almost like an assist. But the point against Alaska is they have 16 fouls. San Miguel has only 1.
Art de la Cruz completing. Talaga yung mga fans ng San Miguel, tuwang-tuwa sila. Lamang sila ngayon dito sa fourth quarter, 64-63. 4 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. Lastimosa against De La Cruz. Dignadise on Lastimosa. Open momentarily. Ikot ang bola. Abarientos for 3. Yes! Bigat yung tira ni Johnny.
Kaya nag-cover si coach.
2-point ball game. Ngayon, pabor naman para sa Alaska Milk. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Alaska is in penalty. Asaytono. Bubit-bet. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola. Napunta kay De La Cruz. Isa pa para sa kanya. Kapos. Dignadise. Yes!
Ganda naman ang dating ni Ives. But they're playing.
And the inside 4 minutes at ang deadlock na yan, pang-anim natin sa laro. Abarientos using speed against Mustre. Foul on Mike Mustre. Their teams. Abarientos behind the back dribble. Sa loob kay Lastimosa. Jumper. Whoa!
Good decision making again by Abarientos. He had Wino much closer, but he knows the ability of Lastimosa to hit a shot in a close match.
Alaska 68, San Miguel 66. Ito natin kung sino ang unang kukurap dito sa dalawang kamunan na to. Titigan natin mabuti. Asay ko na bumangga minsan. Ang tira niya, banda, pasok. Bumagsak po din si Hawkins at pinang senyales para kay Asay Tono na bumirada. So, tabla na naman tayo kadi. 68 all. Here is Johnny. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Dumusot sa gitna si Abarientos. Kumaliwa. Hindi pumasok. Hawkins for the offensive board. Isang fake. Ang tira niya hindi pumasok. Teka, tingnan natin kung sinong loose ball foul ang tatawagan ng referee.
Art de la Cruz yata eh.
Eksakto yung punto ko na Andy. Art de la Cruz.
On the wire na naman yata ito.
At dyan tayo mauuwi na sa larong ng Alaska at San Miguel at illegal D.
Illegal defense, and that's big.
2 minutes and 52 seconds. 68 all ang score. Hawkins against Art de la Cruz. Foul on Art de la Cruz. Mahirap yung matchup ni Art de la Cruz kay Hawkins sa low post. Po, in penalty situation. Ang San Miguel, isa pang foul bago mga penalty. Abarientos, bigay kay Wino. Good fake. At
tama siya sa ulo, no? Oh. Well, he got too deep inside there. Pero he was stepping in. He gets himself too deep, gets it on the head from Mustre, who apologizes immediately. Anyway, this is his problem because he needs these free throws. This is the first. Not a big game for Wino at all here. Big in other ways, but not scoring. Not on the offense. 2 points, but 10 rebounds. Some solid defense. Also misses this one badly.
At hindi na breaking deadlock yan. Binigay mo ang bola sa San Miguel. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. 68 all. At tignan mo naman sa fourth quarter offensive rebounds, Andy. The big advantage going San Miguel. At foul.
Yes.
Si Asaytono.
Yeah, he pushed it off against Hawkins.
2 free throws yan, Andy.
Free throws coming up for Hawkins. Penalty nga yun. Loose ball foul yun.
So, Asaytono naman ang may chance ang makapunta sa free throw line.
Marami pang action for you. After this, may isa pang game. Then you have that. Hawkins trying to make up for those 2 misses of Wino. 1 point lead for Alaska. 2 minutes 23. Malayo pa rin ito. Anything can happen. San Miguel has 3 timeouts and a 20. Alaska's 2 and a 20.
At si Mo Hawkins para sa pangalawa. Pasok din. 2-point ball game in favor of Alaska dito po sa 2 minutes, huling 2 minutes and 2:20 ng fourth quarter. 70-68 para sa Alaska pero bola ng San Miguel. Rosella looking for the ball. Asaytono. Ito si Asaytono, lumapit na. Tumirada. Hindi pumasok. Again, crashing the board is San Miguel pero tingnan natin kung sinong loose ball. Grimacing in pain.
Baka left elbow yan as he came down.
Nakita mo yung pain sa mukha ni Mike Mustre. Iniingan niya talaga.
We never like to see that happen to a player. Mustre kasi is big crash. Look at him jump up. Then he lands badly. Kamay ba yun o knee or whatever?
Pinahawakan niya rin kanina yung kaliwa niyang paa eh.
Might be a knee problem, which is even worse. Ball boy of many years for the Beerman, I'm sure.
Sarap pagmasahin si Rafi, magangang kamay eh. Pero hindi maganda ang posisyon ni Mike Mustre sa punta. Dalawa. At ngayon naman, eto, Andy, makumpleto kaya niya yung dalawa?
Possibly. Kasi iba yung pressure kanina, tabla eh. Ngayon, kung pumunta siya doon.
Well, The last 2 minutes is brought to you by new Premium Dry London Gin. Just right for you. Tara, Twilight Zone. Dignadice against Wino. Palpal! What a rejection by Wino.
Wala nagta-timeout dito sa quarter na ito, pero pag naka-score pa dito Alaska, obligado nang mag-timeout ang San Miguel.
Alapatan lamang ngayon ng Alaska Belt. 72-68. Isa't kalahating minuto. Hawkins, inabot. Sakot malapit ang Wino. Meron pang pangalala si Wino.
Possible 3-point play. Well, it's made because of the double team on the key players and Wino cutting in at the right time, at the right place. No?
Yes, at kanina napalpal niya si Dignadising. Wino can make it more comfortable para sa Alaska.
Yeah, make up for all of his misses.
And that's the anticipated timeout ni Andy. Minuto, 28 segundo na lang mga natitira at ang Alaska lamang ng 7 points sa Andy ngayon.
Okay, San Miguel just has to get something positive on this offensive play, you know, to stay in the ball game. If they miss and they allow Alaska to pick up the rebound, they're in trouble. So they've got to be able to get something offensive, positive of their offensive play here. We go to Asaytono using that screen, pero bitin.
At ito na. 13 seconds, Rosella. Balik kay Asaytono. Titira na niya sa 3. Ang tira ni Asaytono. Hindi pumasok.
That's bad because right now it's down to 1 minute and 8. Alaska 7-point lead and they will use the clock. They will, and of course San Miguel's also in the penalty. They can't give up loose ball or defensive fouls.
This is the biggest lead by Alaska. 7 points. 75-68. 7 seconds to shoot. Lago, nawala yung bola. Teka, dire-diretso pa. Lastimosa is to throw it up. Wala. At
Abutan ng 24 seconds yan. Tuloy.
Tuloy-tuloy ang laban. Asaytono.
The pass behind Nelson Asaytono, and that's the killer. Doon natapos ang laro.
Yes, with 33 seconds, pito yung bubunuin ng San Miguel.
At saka bola ng Alaska. Hindi mo maagaw-agaw kay Johnny yan. Hindi mo papaulin.
Yun lang ang magagawang paraan para mabalik sa iyo yung bola. And illegal di pa ang natawag kontra sa San Miguel.
Wala na.
And the Beerman. At ito si Lastimosa. Kompleto ang kanyang technical free throw. The lead is now up to 8 for Alaska. 76-68. Ito si Dwight Lago. The inbound. Punta kay Hawkins. Ubus na lang ang oras dito ng Alaska.
They don't even have to shoot. And San Miguel is not going to foul anymore at this stage. So this is the way. Di ba sa NBA, wala na yun.
Wala na mangyayari yan.
Hindi mo na dinadagdagan ng insult to injury. Natulog ng kinitirapan.
At siguro yun yung final score. Maribela kung papasok to. Hindi naman papasok. So ang pagtatapos po ng laro ng Alaska at San Miguel, nagwagi po ang Alaska sa San Miguel sa score na 76-68.